Are you looking for the best room divider screens in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best room divider screens that are available on the market.
I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Number 5. Legacy Decor Plum Blossom 4-Panel Screen Room Divider. With Legacy Decor Room Divider you will have your house experience traditional Asian style all the time, giving it a beautiful look. It is constructed with from translucent paper and wooden frames, and on top of that, it has a foldable design to make it easy storage when not in use. It will enable the light to get into the house while providing personal privacy. Whenever you want to separate your home or office, these room divider screens are versatile and can be used in any place. Additionally, it is made to complement any furniture in your home. It also has a double action hinge that will make it simple to fold. It does not require any assembly. Number 4. RHF 6 feet Tall Extra 6-Panel Wide Diamond Room Divider. Let your home be in style and look magnificent with this room divider. It comprises 6-panel that is extra large and measures 6, featuring tall x 19.5 inches wide. On top of that, it will decorate your room as well as providing you a space for privacy. It has a natural design with an attractive bentwood arched top. The room divider can be simply being folded if not in use for storage. Consequently, it has great framing from top to bottom. Take your home to the next level with this inviting and memorable panel screen. Number 3. Giantex Room Divider 4-Panel Screen Steel Frame, White. Do you want to create a private space in your office, home or any other place? The Giantex Room Divider will do that for you because it is constructed of high-quality polyester fabrics and iron tubes that makes it more strong and durable. Nevertheless, it features a low-profile black color that will match perfectly with any furniture in the room. In addition to that, it is made to decorate your room as well as providing private space in your house, hence it is multifunctional. Do not hesitate and wait. Purchase one and you will love it. Number 2. Oriental Furniture 4 Panels Black Tall Double Cross Shoji Screen. With Oriental Furniture Shoji Screen, it will add a beautiful touch to your room, giving it elegant design and also adding value to your house. Most people value it because of its lightweight design and beauty. For that reason, Japan has used it for many years to divide the space and also to give privacy while not blocking the light. It has a color that will always complement any house interior decor, providing a perfect way to make a partition for your room. Besides that, the panels measure 35.75 inches height by 17.5 inches width and have 4 panels. Number 1. Avalon Home Deluxe Woven Bamboo Room Divider, Screen 4-Panel. Let your home have an elegant style and beautiful look with Avalon Room Divider. It is made of beige bamboo and includes 2 strong wooden boards that usually slip on the panels to make shelves that helps you to store your items. Additionally, it has an average dimension of 19.75 inches W x 70.75 inches H by 0.75 inches D, hence it will fit perfectly in your home. You can change the shape depending on your preference and can be moved to block the part of your room. On top of that, it can be folded flat whenever it is not in use for storage.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.